Hello people, how are you all doing today? You are all welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my video, my name is Kachi and I welcome you to my channel. Please do well to join this family by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so that whenever a new video drops on this channel, you'll get to watch it. And for my returning subscribers, I want to say I love you so much. Thank you. You are the real VIP. Thank you for your love and your support. So guys, if you love this rice you're seeing here, it's called fried rice. Please watch this video to the end because we'll be learning it immediately. So guys, the first thing we do is to parboil and wash our rice, put it in a sieve and set it aside to drain our water. Wash your chicken, season it. I'll be seasoning mine with rosemary, thyme, onions, chicken bouillon and salt to taste, and I'll be putting it on the heat to cook. Once that is done, I will sieve that stock to remove any trace of any of the seasoning I use on it, because that water is what I'll be using to cook the rice. Now in the stock, in the meat stock, I'll be adding plain Nigerian curry powder. I'll be adding pepper, my ginger and garlic paste, salt to taste, and put it on the heat to cook. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead and prep my veggies. As you can see, these are the veggies that I'll be using to cook this. I'll be putting it down in the description box down below. Okay, so guys, once your rice is ready, go ahead and pour in an empty pot. Pour in a vegetable or any cooking oil of choice. Go in with half of your chopped onions. Go in with your sausage, liver or beef. Go in with your onion, green peas. Give it a good stir like I'm doing right now. Go in and add your spring onions. Add your bell peppers. Excuse me. Give it a good stir. Keep stirring until you're perceiving the aromas from the veggies. Okay, go ahead and add your rice, half of the rice, because you'll be using the remaining vegetable to fry the remaining rice. Okay, fry for some seconds or a minute and your fried rice is ready. Guys, look at this. My family couldn't get enough of these, guys. The rice is ready. Go ahead and serve it with your coleslaw, with your salad, and with your chicken. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you're gonna try it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye bye. Love you. Please subscribe.